So now I'm going to show you how to send a snap from your camera roll. So if you send a picture directly from the camera roll via Snapchat, it will go as a chat. So to send it as a snap, you can upload the photo and send it in Snapchat with the help of filters. So now first go to filters and then go ahead and swipe up or tap on explore on the bottom right corner. So I'll click on explore, I'll swipe up, and now I'm going to search for upload or camera roll. So now EPL, so I'm going to choose the first filter, and now once I'm there, it's going to show all the pictures in my camera roll. So you can just click on the shutter button to take a picture, and once that's over, you can send it as a regular snap.